Today we are Pro to get started, then opening a folder, going to our USB stick that is not working for some reason. Let's try this again. Oh god, open folder, let's see. Right, we have our site hub here that I tried working on. We are going to go to coding, host launch applications, Python testing, select folder. And this is still not working. So if we just go host launch, select. Still not working. Let's try this again by just going. Right, we finally get this started. So there's a lot of testing involved here. I did a lot of testing, as you can see. I just want to test why our Python extension isn't working. No extensions found. Right, this is weird. Let's try again. Python should work now. Python. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm using VS Code as it is a absolute must for any coding basics. It is one of the best code editors out there when it comes to coding in Python or pretty much any language except the XXX dash plus. So XXX minus plus, that is the only coding language that VS Code doesn't support at all and has 0 extensions for, which is quite sad because honestly it's a cool coding language that I have not mastered yet. But now that we can actually start testing, we can do our basic test by just doing print hello world using Python here. So I'm gonna write Python now. First of all, I need to import. Actually, no, we don't need slash import. We don't need that dot, so we just need import time, right? And now we can just do print. What do we need to print? We need to print hello world, which is the basics of the basics, right? Yes, right. It printed hello world. Yeah, it's just finishing something here. It printed hello world. Now, what else do we want to have printed? We want to have printed nothing actually anymore. We want to ask the user. So we want to get a UI. UI stands for user input. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do UI equals, so send it to a variable, and I'm just going to set it to a input. So we're asking for an input here, and the input is going to be asking what is your login ? And we need to leave a space. It's very important that we leave a space right here. Now, we want to not print hello world anymore. We want to print something else. We want to print confirming email. What is your email login? Confirming email, and then we need to do for. We need to do comma, and then we need to put UI. So now we are asking we're saying that UI equals input. So we're asking for an input. Then the input is going to be asking, what is your email login? It's going to leave a space, and then after that space it's going to ask. Then it's going to print confirming email for. We left a space, and then we're going to have the email. So what I'm going to do here, so I'm just going to run what is your email. I'm going to call it fake, and that is wrong. I'm going to go here, I'm going to call it fake email at fake dot fake. And now confirming email for fake email at fake key dot fake. Yeah, so that is all correct. Now we want to wait, so we want to go time. Now we're going to have dot time sleep. And we're going to want to sleep for about 7 seconds. And after that we're going to print just test. I'm going to print test. Right. So after this, what is the email login? Just gonna call it fake at fake dot fake. Confirming email for fake dot fake, and in about 7 seconds. So let's see if it does work. Yep. It waited for 7 seconds. So yep, that is all working. Right, what are we going to do? We are going to do time dot sleep. We're going to want to sleep for how long? How long are we going to sleep for? About 2 seconds. Then we're going to print. We're going to print here please wait. And I accidentally pressed the wrong thing. Right, now it's gonna ask for your email. Then it's gonna ask for your email. Say confirming email for, and then whatever you put in. Time dot sleep. So it's gonna wait for 2 seconds. Then it's gonna say please wait. It's gonna wait for 5 seconds, like that. It's gonna print confirmed. Even though that is spelled wrong, I do not care. Right, let's try running that. So I'm just going to say fake dot fake. But actually the problem is we can just put in fake. Confirming email for fake. It's gonna say please wait. It's gonna say confirmed. But we don't want it to just say confirmed. We want it to print like a very cool line thing. I want it to print this. Then we want to center this text here. So if we do this again, we can just put in our email as fake. And now we're going to fix that bug later. Confirming email for fake, please wait. Confirmed. Right, but we don't want to just say that it's confirmed. We want to do an if statement. So, if we're going to be looking for if so if in UI, and then we're just going to continue it over here, going to do that. Right, and that is done. Now we just need to move this to that same location, and then what we're going to do is the if I don't know what it's called actually. Right, it doesn't matter. So we're just going to put else. Then we're going to go here. Print. Sorry. Wrong email. Like that. Sorry, wrong email. And you want to start with a capital. Now, what this should do is it's going to do the same thing as before, but instead of just saying confirmed, it's going to look, it's going to ask if the @ symbol in UI, which is our user input, and I don't know what I just pressed, we are going to print the line, so confirmed. And then, if anything else, so we're just going to copy this, and we are going to do Control Z. Then what we're going to do here is we're going to do like this, if going to print same thing, so we're going to print again, sorry, wrong email. No, sorry, must contain, like this. Now, it should ask what is your email. Now let's say we put fake.fake. What is it going to say? Confirming your email. Please wait. Very nice, very kind. It's being very polite. Saying sorry, must contain the @ symbol. Now, if we run this again, but this time we use a real email, like fake@fake.fake. Then, after 5 seconds, it still says wrong email because we have else. We don't need the else. There's one of these advantages. If we need to ask whether you know the password, so first off we need to put pass equals what does pass do? I don't know what pass does. Pass equals your mom. Please don't take this as an insult. But yes, actually, what is pass? I'm now very confused at what passes.
Welcome to Wonderland. We've got
What is pass? Sorry. What is pass in Python? That was so embarrassing during a live stream. Like, come on. Is a null statement. Right, what is this? Yes, agree. What is this?
What's up, guys? I'm Puneet from Programiz, and welcome back to this series on Python. In this video, we will learn about the pass statement. It's going to be one of the shortest video in this series. So without any delay, let's get started.
Right, Python for beginners. Let's see what this guy has to say.
Suppose you need to create a loop or a decision-making statement. However, we are not sure yet what its body will be. In such scenarios, we can use the pass statement. Let me give you an example. So I'll say number equals 5.5, and then I'll say if number greater than 0.0, and then I'll add this pass statement here. When I run this program, my code will run without any errors. Now I can write code after the if statement and run it and implement the statement when it's necessary. Before moving to the next section of the video, I'd like to mention that what's up, guys?
Alright, we don't need to know all this.
Let's find out. So I'll remove this pass and I'll say to do will figure out later. Now this time, if I press run, then Python gives me an error. It says unexpected UF while parsing. This error is basically saying you cannot end the program file like this. Something is wrong. We are getting this error because the body of the if statement is empty and comments don't count because Python completely ignores comments. So whenever you need to create loops, if-else statement, functions and classes with an empty body, you can temporarily use the pass statement. Before I end this video, let me recap the concept that we learned.
Okay, that's good to know. That's very nice to know. In fact, I do not need to know this. Right, that was a complete waste of time. I'm sorry, but that really was. So now we're just going to be asking password. We're just going to ask equals, what does it equal? It equals, nope, it doesn't equal a already pre-selected variable. It is a, just kidding, input. Oh, the programmers are shouting at me right now because what have I done? Right, input. What is your password? Password. What is your password? Now, if password equals something called the fake predetermined password list. This is something that you might want to know when you use logins. So the FPPL. FPPL stands for fake predetermined passwords. Fake predetermined passwords. Fake predetermined passwords. Yeah, that's correct. Now, a list of fake passwords. Now, I'm confused. Right, let's see. Mountains or hills? %. My microphone just broke. Right, now, FPPL. I don't know, wait, what was it again? 1 second, guys. I'm going to use a different computer. I'm going to use my phone. Sorry. Let's see, what does it say? It says that FPPL. Right. It says that it is okay. I was correct. It's FPP. Right, so we need to early on declare our variables. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be selecting all of our variables. One of our variables is going to be the FF, the FPP. FPP shall equal, and then we're going to have a list of fake predetermined passwords. I don't know if this is real because it doesn't seem to be working. Where is FPP? FPP. Fake predetermined passwords. Fake okay, yep, no, that doesn't exist. Why is this not working? Yeah, this is very weird. I'm just going to continue on coding. So what we're going to is going to be fake. And it's going to be fake 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to have the fake 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this is why I enjoy using libraries, but for now this should work. Not real password. It's going to be one of the ones that we can use. We need to put an end cap here. Then we're going to have something called password 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to have the same thing here again. Going to copy that and we're going to just paste it here, but this time we're going to add 2, 3, 4, 5. This time we're going to add it again, but this time we're going to make it not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to create a couple more. Just a couple. So it'd be 7, 8, 9. Right, so that'd be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to have 7 now. Then we're going to have 1, 8. Then we're going to have 9. Right, so this is pretty basic. Like a basic library. If that equals that, going to say control process error. Alright, what is indeed I did mean that. What is your login? My login is bro pro -101 at bro pro 997 dot EU, and then it's going to say please wait. It's going to say confirmed. What is your password? Now our password is going to be fake. Nothing happened. Right, this is not good. Why did this not work? Yes, because we'd just have to do a print, I guess. So print, what are we going to say in our print? We're going to say this is suspected to be a fake account or a hacker's scammers account. Right, but if PV not equal FPP, then we're going to want to do the same thing that we did back here, which was simply these two lines. Just going to paste them right in here. Right. Actually, don't know if this would work. What is your email login? It is pro at pro.pro. Confirming, please wait. And it's gonna say confirmed. Let's go. Confirmed. What is your password? My password is pro bro 123. This is fake, but I made a typo there about your. Confirmed. Nice. Let's try to run this again, but this time I'm going to put fake at fake dot fake. This actually is going to plug in. What is the password? The password is going to be, let's see, fake 123. Ooh. And the reason for that is that one space. Let's log in. I'm just going to make it, guess what, I'm going to make it the @ sign. What is your password? 123. Confirmed. Last chance. Password. Password is @ confirming emails for @ confirming, please wait. What is your password? Fake 123. Boom. It says confirmed. I put fake 123. Oh, dearie me. Dearie me. Wow. Wow. That is just sad. What is your password? Fake 123. Will you work now? It still works. It still works. Alright, this is a problem for a different time. So, if you did enjoy the stream, if anyone even watches these streams, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below. And